MySudo vs Cloaked. MySudo is a privacy app that lets you create multiple digital identities called pseudos. Each pseudo comes with its own phone number, email, and a browser, helping you separate different aspects of your life like work, shopping, or personal use. It's designed to reduce digital tracking and data exposure by giving you control over how much personal info you share. Let's talk about the pros and cons. So for the pros, it has multiple pseudos for calls, texts, and emails. It offers built-in encrypted messaging and calling. There's no need to reveal your real phone number or email, and it's useful for compartmentalizing and personal, business, and online activities. The cons is though, it has limited free features. It's not available everywhere, and it's only mainly US and Canada phone numbers, and it lacks the full anonymity if tied to a payment info. Now, Cloak, on the other hand, focuses on creating disposable digital identities with auto-generated emails, phone numbers, and even credit card details. Unlike MySudo, Cloak leans heavily on automation, making it simple to generate new identities whenever you need them. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. It offers auto-generated disposable emails, phone numbers, and credit cards. It's also easy to use with automation for privacy management, and it's great for signups, shopping, and trial services. It also helps reduce spam and unwanted calls. The cons is though, subscription required for premium features is needed, and it may not be as customizable as MySudo, and it still relies on third-party providers for some services. So if you want a full control and multiple identities for long-term use, MySudo is the better choice. But if you prefer quick, disposable, and automated privacy tools, Cloakik is the better option.